Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making sweet, delicious, perfect, yummy egg sauce and yam. So as you all can see, my people, now see that picture wanna see here. Now wait till one make now be that one. So let's go into the video, my people. As you can see, I've already washable and cuttingable my yam, and I added little salt. But some people use sugar on their yam. Me, I don't use sugar. Okay, I use only salt. So guys, this is our veggies. We are going to be frying all our veggies that we need in this egg. Okay, so I put my oil in the fry pan, added my onions, tomatoes, my carrots, and my green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. At this point, I don't have red bell pepper, so it's option. Okay, it's not a must that you must use it. Okay, so the next thing I'll be adding is all my spices that I have in my kitchen: curry powder, nutmeg, everything I have in my kitchen. Okay, as you all can see. So the next thing I added my Indomie, what's it called? Indomie seasoning. I beg na mangi. I don't know which that English seasoning called seasoning. I beg na mangi. So after that one, I can add my little salt. And the next thing I'll be adding, this is my pepper ataraduf. Okay, this is what I use. So if you thought they watch this video, they reshare, you never follow, you never like. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, now make una follow this page. As you do so, may God highly bless you. And my returning followers, my correct people, I say may God highly bless you as soon as they watch my video. So my people, after that one, I can put my sardine. Una see, and now go make egg without no sardine inside. Although it's an option, me I like sardine in my eggs. Okay, now this is the make cocoa. The cocoa, this is the egg. So these are all the eggs that I will be needing. So I've already break the egg, and here I will add my salt. Okay, so here I'm turning it, and after that I add a little salt on it, as you can see. So the next thing you'll be seeing now is my milk. I like milk in my egg. I know some people will be like, how can you pour milk in your egg? It's option. This is what I like, and I'm the one eating it. Okay, so if you like, you can add a little milk on your egg. Okay, sorry guys, it's not easy. So after that, my people, I can add my spinach. Who go make egg without no spinach? But I they like spinach in my egg. So all our veggies is readyable. Now we are going to be pouring it our eggs. Okay, you see, you go shaker or shakeable. So the next thing now, you added your minced eggs. Okay, that is what we are going to be adding. After this time, you have to turn it so all the veggies will now go inside the egg. You use it to turn it. Okay, so please, if you thought they watch this video, they reshare, you never see follow, you just they watch also free. Wait till now, just press that button. It's not hard now, it's not that difficult. Okay, just press it to support your girl, to support a friend, to support a mother. Come on now, help a sister. So we now come back to our yam, and it's readyable. This video is almost ending. Now our egg is almost readyable. Okay, so we are still turning it, remaining just a little. So be patient, and our delicious, yummy, perfect egg sauce will be readyable. You see, Anna, is this thing not beautiful? I bet if you don't watch this video, you never see like. Wait till support your girl, follow this page as you do. May God highly bless you. So our egg sauce is readyable. Now we are going to be eating it. So tell me on the comment section, will you be trying this method or not? If you do, please let me know on the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye for now, and see you all in my next video. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.